What if I told you that one company quietly manufacturing the future might be your ticket to a 34% gain and possibly much more? This isn't hype. This is TSM-Taiwan Semiconductor, manufacturing company the silent giant powering Apple, NVIDIA, and practically every major chip on Earth. But wait, is it too late to buy? Or is the smart money quietly loading up before the next breakout? In this video, we're going deep, beyond the headlines, to uncover if TSM is truly on the edge of a historic rally or just another hype train about to derail. Stay until the end, because we're connecting dots Wall Street doesn't want you to see, and you'll want to catch the crypto twist waiting in the final act. Let's set the stage. In today's world, semiconductors are the new oil, and if chips are oil, TSM is the refinery that fuels the modern world. We're talking 60% of global chip production and over 90% of the most advanced processors. Pause. Let that sink in. If Apple is your iPhone, TSM is the brain inside it. And yet, for a company so essential to AI, smartphones, defense, crypto mining, and EVs, it's under-owned by retail investors. Why? Let's find out. But first, quick question. If TSMC stopped producing chips tomorrow, how long would it take before your favorite apps stopped working? Answer, not long, but don't try it at home. Now, back to the stock. In the past 12 months, TSM has seen a 34% price movement projection based on fundamentals. But are those fundamentals real? Or are investors being fooled by the AI boom halo effect? Here's the catch. Geopolitical risk. TSMC sits just 110 miles from mainland China. Any escalation in Taiwan could send the global tech supply chain and your portfolio into a tailspin. Think it's far-fetched? Even the US government has contingency plans for TSMC. But here's the plot twist. They're building fabs in Arizona, Japan, and Germany. TSM isn't just waiting for the storm. They're building arcs in every continent. And while risks exist, so do opportunities. Let's talk numbers. Revenue, $70 billion plus annually. Gross margins, over 53%. Clients, Apple, AMD, NVIDIA, even Tesla. You see the pattern? What makes this moment unique is timing. AI is booming. Data centers are hungry. And guess who's feeding them? TSMC's newest 3-nanometer process isn't just innovative. It's monopoly-level dominance. And it's already booked out. But what about valuation? At a current PE around 25, it's cheaper than NVIDIA, less volatile than AMD, and more strategic than Intel. Think of it like this. Buying TSM today might be like buying Microsoft in 2001. Boring on the surface, explosive underneath. Still watching? Good. Because now we're going beyond what the analysts say and into what the whales are doing. Let's play a quick game. If I gave you $10,000 today and you had to invest it in one company to hold for 10 years, would you rather go with the flashy startup promising 10x returns, or the company that quietly prints money, holds tech hostage, and no one's talking about at parties? If you chose TSM, congratulations, you think like a hedge fund. Let's tie it all together. We've looked at the dominance, the risks, the demand, and the momentum. But here's the final question. Is TSM about to rally 34%, or is that just the beginning? Analysts from JP Morgan and Goldman Sachs have upgraded their price targets, but more importantly, retail investors haven't piled in yet. And when they do, the runway might vanish in days. This is one of those inflection points where FOMO meets fundamentals. Will you act before the breakout or after? Because remember, wealth is not just about what you invest in. It's about when you see what others don't. And time, it's ticking. But here's a twist you didn't see coming. What if I told you Tesla might be the next major player to shake up the crypto market using AI chips from TSM? Yeah, that rabbit hole runs deep. Click on this next video to uncover, is TSLA about to explode in the crypto market? We're diving into the tech, the tokens, and the wild strategy behind Elon's next big move. Don't miss it. Your portfolio might just thank you.